Hello everyone, welcome to Smart Coating Equipments YouTube channel. As we present various paint shop accessories, here with presenting a cassette type paint filter. As you see here, there are 4 basic parts. This is the base body, spring support, mesh, SS mesh, upper body. So main basic part of this equipment is this filter mesh. As you see here, very finely welded filter mesh. Various choices available here at 60, 80, 100, 120, 150, 180, 200, 400, 600. Like these various mesh sizes are available as per your paint's requirement. Then there is a support spring to support this mesh inside to withstand any pump pressure, so rigidity can be maintained and it will retain its shape. For that purpose, a supporting spring is available. Then this is the upper body. It is as good as a, you can say, cover. Totally in SS304. Easy to install, easy to clean. Here a fitment assembly for you can install a spanner here and fit it and lose it. Then there is a base body. As you see here, 3/8" BSP female threading for material inlet, so as you can connect any hex nipple or swell fitting, so as it can be connected to the pump outlet. So material will come inside, then it will get filtered through this mesh on outer side, then through the center hole it is getting to the outside, so material out is there. So for drain provision, we provided a wall here and drain hole, as you see here. Now let's check assembly of same. So it's completely assembled. It's completely SS304, so as the threading is long life, also filter body is long life. If you have any such requirement, please contact us. Thank you.